Check out the stunning 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Big Band. This rugged adventurer comes packed with a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you will find a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, heated front seats, a power driver seat with lumbar support, and the convenience of remote vehicle start. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you ready to trade the city streets for the trails of Sumas Mountain? This 2026 Bronco Sport Big Bend, finished in a sharp carbonized gray, is built for the Fraser Valley lifestyle. Whether you're heading out to Mission for a weekend by the river or just navigating the busy morning commute through Abbotsford, this SUV has you covered. It features an acoustic laminate windshield for a quieter ride and active grille shutters to help with aerodynamics. The LED headlamps and tail lamps ensure you are always seen, while the liftgate with flip-up glass makes loading your gear for a trip to Cultus Lake a breeze. Inside, the medium-light smoked truffle interior offers a sophisticated look with practical features like the MOLLE strap system for organization and 60/40 fold-flat rear seats for extra cargo space. You will stay comfortable with electronic automatic temperature control and enjoy the modern feel of the rotary gear shift dial and illuminated entry. This model also includes the convenience package, front and rear floor liners, and a dedicated cargo mat to keep your interior clean after a day of exploring the valley. A common question we hear is, what technology does this vehicle have to assist the driver? According to the specifications, this Bronco Sport is equipped with the blind spot information system with cross traffic, a lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. It also features intelligent access, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors paired with a reverse camera system to make maneuvering through tight spots much easier. For added peace of mind, it includes the SOS post-crash alert system and a tire pressure monitor system. Plus, original owners can even attend the Bronco Off-Rodeo, an immersive driving experience. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.